How to fix Instagram not letting you log in when nothing works. Don't worry, we'll show you real fixes that actually help. If Instagram won't let you log in, it's usually not random. There are a few real reasons, and I'll guide you through them step by step. So guys, first make sure your username and password are correct. Sometimes the issue is simple, like a wrong password, caps lock turned on, or extra spaces. If you're not sure, then tap Forgot Password and reset it using your email or phone number. If you tried logging in too many times, Instagram may block you for security. You might see messages like "try again later" or "unusual activity detected." In this case, stop trying and wait 24 to 48 hours, then try again using the same device and internet connection. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Instagram often blocks login attempts from different or hidden locations. Switch to your normal Wi-Fi or mobile data and try again. If Instagram still isn't letting you log in, the problem might be the app. Update Instagram from the Play Store or App Store. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the app. On Android, you can also clear the app cache. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Then search for Instagram. Open it and go to Storage. Then clear the cache from here. If your password doesn't work and you didn't change it, your account might be hacked. Tap Forgot Password. Then choose Need More Help. On some devices, you may not see this option. So just go to Google, search for Instagram Help. Open the first link. Search Can't Log In, and follow the steps to recover your account. Sometimes Instagram itself is down. If everything looks fine but you still can't log in, just wait a bit and try again later. So yeah, these are real ways to fix Instagram login problems. Got a problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.